I'm Lauren Carr, and I'm the Repair Manager for Flute Authority. We're going to talk about the Flute Care Kit. In our Flute Care Kit, we have a polishing cloth, a swab to swap out the inside of your flute, pad cleaning paper, a thumb rest, and a practice log. After you finish playing your instrument, make sure that you wipe off all your fingerprints. This makes sure that it stays nice and clean with your new polishing cloth. With your cleaning swab, make sure that you put it in the hole of your cleaning rod, like so. Pull it through. Make sure that you put this over the top and then insert into your instrument. After playing, make sure you swab out your instrument each time. This makes sure that we get all the moisture out and none is left within your instrument. Your thumb rest or support can go either on your left hand, simply put on for your liking where your hand placement goes, either for your left hand, or you can put it on your right hand, right under your F key, so you have proper hand position. With your pad cleaning paper, please insert between the key cup and the tone hole and simply tap the key cup like so. Make sure not to hold the key cup and pull. This can then tear the pad quicker. We want to make sure we tap and then let go to take care of any sticky pads. With your practice record, make sure you record each time you play and practice. Thanks for watching.